Hey guys, this is Fundo on Wanshupagama. Coming up next on Imbewu this week, Shira is devastated to find out that Maharaji has left her, but Nairobi encouraged her to move on. Zitulele is having a criticize of self and goes to Phakade for help only to discover something special at Zimlele driving site. Tuesday, Zitulele calls Zagiti to come to Mbumbulu immediately and leave Nokzola ambitions for her big birthday date dead in the water. Wednesday, they criticize at Maluju deepens when clients threatens to cancel the contracts. Blaming MaZulu, Nkululeko tries to force her to step down as a CEO but falls. Thursday, kaMandonsela disturbing dreams about Ncolosi internal files and Phakade resolves to discuss the natural with Mandlovu. Maharaji is operated on but Makosazana has to wait to verify whether his surgery is a success. Friday, the staff at Msamu learn that they will be searching every day because they has been missing money. The fight between Kulego and MaZulu escalates and all the gloves comes off. That is for this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe. Therefore, thanks.